Hello everyone, I've got something incredible to show you today. A product that truly stands out. Let's talk about the design. Modern, minimalist, and simply gorgeous. Now the price, trust me, it's more affordable than you'd think for such top-notch quality. What's even better? It's super versatile. Whether it's for your home, office, or as a thoughtful gift, this product shines. Curious to know more? The details are in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.